Layers and Object Manager. Most CorelDRAW X3 drawings are arranged in a stacked or piled manner. The appearance of actual drawing is made up of stacking order of objects. These objects can be arranged using invisible planes, called layers. Layers help in increasing the screen redraw speed and allows faster printing. We will see properties of layers in detail in upcoming lessons. In the first lesson, we will discuss how layers work. So, let's start. Working with layers. Now we shall see what exactly layers are and how we can work with them. Here, as you can see, I have already made a graphic named Christmas_layers.cdr because of limited time. Let's open the Object Manager. Go to Tool menu and click Object Manager. Now press F4 to fit the whole page to screen. By default, when you create any design in CorelDRAW X3, all the things are arranged in a layer named Layer 1, which is shown red in color. Here we can divide whole pages in 3 layers, that is, background, text, and image objects. For this, we have to first create 2 more layers. But before that, rename the layer named Layer 1 as background. For this, right-click on Layer 1. Choose Rename and write name as background. Here is the button for creating a new layer. Click it. Layer 2 is created. Rename layers as text. Similarly, create one more Layer 3 and name it as objects. Now we will divide background, text and image object in the respective layers. Now, choose all the text objects from the drawing page, like this. Once you choose text objects, drag selected object by holding the cross symbol here. As you go over the text layer, leave the mouse button there. All the selected text objects will be moved to text layer. Similarly, we will do the image objects also. Let's choose all the images present on the page by holding the Shift key from Object Manager, like this. Now click once over the drawing page and hold the cross. Drag the selected image objects and release your mouse over the object layer. Till now we have arranged all things to respective layers. Let's see other icons present in the object docker. As you can see here, 3 more symbols are also present: eyeball, printer, pencil. This eyeball symbolizes whether the layer is visible or invisible. Let's try to check this. Just click on eyeball near text layer. Now note all the text objects present in text layer are not visible on the page. Just above the eyeball here is Pagel, which shows that we are working in page 1 of CorelDRAW X3 document. Below to Object Docker icon is the icon for Master Page, which helps in creating the same page format for more than one page. Layers can be stacked easily. Just hold the layer, like this, and drag either up or down, leaving the mouse pointer to the place where you want to place it. So far, we have discussed how to create layers, how to place objects in layers, and how to arrange them. Try always to arrange your objects in respective layers.